Well, Brian is giving up on the 72 project. Because
not exactly giving up. We're moving on to get something better.
yes, the 70 GTO. So, yeah, it is what it is.
And it's not got a French name. So that makes it even better.
Sure.
Le Mans or
Le Mans.
GTO.
Well, yes,
Exactly.
the Gran Turismo Omologato. So, yeah, sorry.
Well, she got
No,
it
that's
all of
Italian.
them, so, right. See, hey, there we go.
Okay, so we're better. Okay.
We're American. Sorry.
Yeah, though, instead of the 72,
It's
we're going to be working on this instead, which is pretty cool.
a real GTO.
And I'm just going to throw in some footage of us already getting running whenever it got back here. This car has been off the road since 1999. And we want to see if the 400 fires up. It is the original 400. He had rebuilt it, and I think it's like 3,000 or 4,000 miles on it, something like that. That was it. Then he parked it. So you can see we got the spoiler on the back now. And him put that on there too, because, you know, cool points.
And it's actually turning a little. I finally got it to turn a little.
Oh,
I'm going to try to walk it back and forth, break that ridge ring loose, and we might be ready to finally start it.
yeah. I can get starter to help you out.
Since we don't know if it's in park, I would really prefer it if you did.
It looks to be in park.
Yeah, let me get my big butt up first before we do that.
I think that's good. I think it's turned that around enough. If it's going to do something, it's going to do it.
I just hit a stop again.
Oh, did you?
You know, like a wall. I'm walking it back and forth, trying to break it loose, but we could.
Yeah, let's go ahead and try it, see what happens.
Aaron, let me spin it back to the loose part.
Yeah.
Give it a better chance.
That starter will probably torque it more than you can right now. Maybe.
I don't know about that.
I already filled the air horn up with a little gas, poured some gas down there, so hopefully it fires up.
Alright.
Alright.
Let me get up and out of the way.
We're just going to get the jumper wire.
Hopefully it didn't tally ho into the other shit.
Yeah. No. We'll find out.
That'll make very good bump stuff.
You know what? I think it's the starter. Oh,
Oh,
maybe not. It tried, it bumped.
come on, you want to live. It's mad you're putting a pink wire on it, okay? That's got to be
Yeah.
what it is. Doesn't like the pink wire. Well, it's Pontiac blue.
Maybe if I can get the ground a little bit better.
Come on, come on, come on.
Oh, freaking handle on the batteries. Make sure it's too hot. If I touch it again.
Now, is the battery dead?
No, the battery's not dead.
Okay.
Got to make sure they're connected well.
I mean, that's helpful. Come on.
It almost had it. Come on. Cranked a little.
It did. I wonder if it hit a dead spot or I kept walking it back and forth and it hit a really solid spot.
I don't hear the solenoid.
Check your other connection.
That's the one that's probably the problem.
Oh.
Alright, fix the ground, let's try it.
Come on, come on, come on!
Woohoo! It's a little warm now. Ow! Hot copper. Gas.
Gas, gas, gas. Shit.
Actually hand it to me. We'll just do this end.
Yeah, I was about to say, oh, it's leaking from that. Come on, come on.
There we go. Alright,
Do we need a little more?
20 feet away from the car, please.
Come on. Ooh. She kind of runs.
We're not getting power to the distributor to keep it running.
Well, it's got speaker wire. and a little jumper wire right there that's just like twisted together.
We'll do the same.
Well, yeah, but ours won't be speaker wire. Makes it classier.
I don't know where theirs is running, but you know, whatever. Whatever, just to get it running.
Oh yeah, let me pull this a little further out because this is all the way down.
Yeah.
I mean, should be fine, but it don't need to hit rockers.
It won't. Help if I had the right socket back on it. And I think it's that one. Make sure. Since we know the fuse block is shot.
Completely.
Yeah.
I still don't understand how there's that much rust where there is no contacts left on it at all.
Yeah. All right. Gas.
Just a little drink. It is helpful if it goes in the carburetor.
I'm trying to get it down the air horn to fill this bowl up a little bit.
Water bottle? Actually, I do have a water bottle. It's got a squirt in it.
Yeah.
Or it'll last longer than this one.
Well, now I got gas on my hands, so you do the honors.
Oh, come on. Especially since I'm trying to buy this car. I'm dreaming of buying this car.
Just, yeah, go for it. There we go. They ran out of gas.
Still do a little bit.
Well, it runs.
That it does. And it didn't, you know, bon voyage into the other 70.
I mean, you could get it running longer if you took that hose off the fuel pump probably and put it in the gas can. I don't know. My wife might be getting mad. It's a little late.
True, but we just got it running. It's been sitting since '99.
Yeah, well, hang on. Let me get a little bit more in there. I do the honors.
Oh, yeah, she's a leaker.
Yeah,
Just a little bit.
carburetor needs rebuilt. Well, it runs.
Oh, it runs.
I think he just decided he wants it.
Now we're gonna disconnect this wire.
Can you see if it drives now?
There's no seats. I don't even know what the brakes work. Let's not.
We can put a block in front of the wheels.
That defeats the purpose of driving, because where are you gonna go?
This far?
Alright.
99. It's been running. Or it's running.
Gotta get the gears of tree sperm and whatnot off of it, and who knows what else. Hey, great thing is they've already cut the trunk pan out, so hey, guess what? Well, I don't have to cut that out. Yeah.
Really quick.
And that's original, that one's not a repop. This side of the car is just covered. Right now we got quite a bit of that washed off. He's washing the rest of it off. You can see the problem is going to be that right there, all the way around. Surprisingly, that's in decent shape, but you know, whatever. Yeah. So this one will take the 72's place, and it's going to need some work, that's for sure. That big old hole right there. Okay. Maybe some of the floor can be saved, I don't know. But that side's pretty bad. Over there, it's bad. There's a bunch of little holes everywhere, so it don't look bad, but I'm afraid as soon as you try to do something, it's shot. Yeah. So the 70's cleaned up, and, well, you know, here after a while, we'll start it. And we'll start working on it and filming some more videos. So, look forward to that. As always, thanks for watching.